Hey guys, my name is Vanessa and I work with Rank My Biz. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help you bring more customers to your business. First thing I want to mention is your little logo. I love it. Super cute. Another thing is that if by the end of this video you like what you see, you like what you hear, feel free to give me a message back or reply to this email and we can chat about how to really outrank your business in the area. But if not, feel free to take these tips I'm giving you and run with them. Use them on your own and incorporate them into your website. So let's get started. The 3 things I want to mention are content, citations, and backlinks. First things first, content, and that is anything you see on your front page, including pictures, what they're saved as, and what is behind these pictures. Saving these pictures as a keyword is really important, and it plays a big role in what Google uses to rank you. The amount of content, Google really wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your page, and when I put yours into the word counter, I'm getting 634 words. Number 2 would be citations. And so when we go and search for furnace repair Colorado Springs, the first thing you notice is this Google guaranteed section. And here is where businesses have been verified by Google and they pay for these ads to be listed here. And if you haven't already, I would recommend getting your business verified by Google just so as another way of giving some trust and authority to your website. But these people listed here, they get high quality leads just because they're listed here. If you scroll down a little bit, you see these traditional ads, and these are really a hit or miss because many people nowadays use ad blockers or they just don't click on these traditional ads here anymore. So that's really a hit or miss. So when you scroll down a little bit more, you see something called, or we call the map pack. So a map pack, a lot of people think that getting your business listed on here is just a matter of getting reviews, but as you can see, that's not true. These people are listed in directories across the web, and we call these citations. And so you're probably asking yourself, what's a directory and how do I get listed on them? So directories are simply a website out there that allows other businesses to add their information into it, and services such as Facebook's one, LinkedIn's one, Yellow Pages or Yelp, or any other websites like that that allows a business to add their services and their information into. All it'll do is act as another way for people to reach you who are looking for your services. And once you get a lot of those or a lot of those citations, Google will then start to rank you and you will see yourself in this map pack section. The third and final thing I wanted to go over with you guys was backlinks, and backlinks plays a huge role in getting in this first on this first page of Google in this section here in the organic search results. This is the first business listed here. These ones are directories. And when you have high quality backlinks, you have a better chance of showing up in these organic search results. So we use this tool called Ahrefs, and I put your URL into this tool. What it does is shows me your ranking, the amount of backlinks, the amount of referring domains, your keywords, and how many people are coming into your website each month. So it tells me here you guys have 51 backlinks, which isn't terrible. And when I put, and you guys are getting 62 people onto your website every month, but when I put your number one competitor in here, they have 649 backlinks and they're getting 569 people onto their website every month. This is really easy to beat with just using some of the tips that I gave you today. is just a simple way to beat your competition. So I really look forward to hearing from you guys, getting some feedback on this video. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.